To change the pulleys on your 813 lathe, first of all, switch on the machine and using the speed controller, select the high speed. Then switch off and unplug. Undo the two grub screws that hold the chrome pulley in place. This will allow you to unscrew and remove the pulley. Locate and remove the 4 screws that hold the guard in place. And then gently lift off and remove the guard. Then remove the belt. There is another video showing how to do this, but as you can see from this clip, it is relatively straightforward. Firstly, to remove the first half of the pulley, you need to remove the circlip that holds it in place. This can be done with a set of circlip pliers. Once you've removed the circlip, undo the 2 grub screws that hold the pulley or clamp the pulley to the shaft. Once you've undone the 2 screws, the first half of the pulley should just slide off. To remove the second pulley, you must undo the grub screw at the bottom of the pulley carrier. Once you undo this grub screw, you'll see the whole mechanism slide forward because it's spring loaded. Just make a quick note of where the spring goes. And then to remove the pulley from the carrier, again using our circlip pliers, just remove the circlip and lift off the carrier. To replace the pulleys is pretty much a similar process. First of all, reposition the carrier and secure with our circlip. Refit the pulley and the carrier, making sure to remember that the spring goes in first. Push the actual carrier so it's flush against the shaft, and then tighten up the grub screw whilst holding it in place. Next, slide on the second half of the pulley, but don't tighten up at this stage. Refit the circlip first. This will allow you to gauge the position of the second pulley. Slide the pulley back so it fits snugly against the circlip, and then tighten the 2 screws. Replace the belt. Gently lower in the guard and replace the 4 screws. Replace the pulley and fasten the 2 screws that hold it in place. Then just run a quick test just to make sure everything's as it should be, but don't forget to leave it in its resting position, which is the lowest speed. Switch off, unplug, job done.